guys, and today, I don't want to get rid of Rose's red box for the racetrack. Okay. So last video I was making all of the chicken races. I didn't finish in the video, but I finished off camera. Okay, come on, chickens. I have to get seeds. I know that's the most important part. The chicken races, seeds too. Not the lead is important, but the seeds are more important because they go closer to you with the seeds. Okay, Rose, you can beat them. You can beat them. Rose, 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 Rose. Who's in lead? Oh, and it's that chicken, Rose. Rose won the chicken races. Let's see who gets back first. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Okay, who's invincible? Who's invincible? Oh, I think it was you. That wasn't Rose, but Rose did win the first one. Definitely. So Rose won. That was actually pretty impressive. So now I'll let all the chickens go, but not Rose, because Rose needs to come back home with me. And yeah, that's all the chickens but Rose. Yep, that's Rose. So now let's go on back home. Rose. And that was really fun chicken races. It was really short, but yet very fun. Okay, come on, flutter past, flutter past, flutter past. Is there anything? No, whoa, he spiked up on me. I think that's, well, all houses. Rose? Oh. Okay, where is the... Oh, there's Rose? Where's Rose? Oops, where's... But losing cows, it's worse. Come on, chicken. Okay. You have to go kind of slow with chickens, because they will fall. And they fall very easily. They're so slow because of the flat skill. But if you lose them, you know. Okay. Come on, Rose, we have to get back home. I'm pretty sure our home is closer by here. Or maybe it's this way. Rose, whoa. Oh, you must be Rose. You have to be Rose. Oh, yeah, Rose. Okay. I keep almost losing Rose. I keep losing Rose. What the? Rose, oh, those cheese too spiky. What the? Okay, Rose, we'll walk. We'll walk. But I'll see you in my next beautiful video, chicken or not video. I will see you later. Bye.